Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on Facebook. Now, if you got a new email address, maybe you wanted to remove the old one and add the new one, either on your iPhone, Android, or computer. I'll walk you through the entire process. Now, first just open up the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android, or go to facebook.com. Now you can see I have my iPhone there, but you can see here's my Android, and it looks a little different. You can see on iPhone, there's a menu button at the bottom right. Tap on that. However, on Android, you can see it's at the top right, that menu button. If I tap on it, it gets to a similar screen. In addition to that, if you're on a computer, it'll be at the top right. Next, it'll be the same on any device. Scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Settings at the top. Tap on See More in Account Center midway down. And next tap on Profiles and Personal Details at the top. Scroll down from here. Under Personal Details, tap on Contact Info. And tap Add an Email at the bottom. You can see it says add an email address. We'll use this email address for all of your accounts. So enter in an email address. Let me just enter in a random one here. Let's say like trevor@gmail.com and hit done. Choose the account, in this case, Facebook. Tap next, and it will send a code to that email. You can see enter in the code that you receive from that email address, essentially verifying that you have access to it. After you've done that, it will add that new email address to your account. Now let's remove the old one. To remove the old email address, you can see you can tap on that old email address and then just tap on delete email. You can see it says you'll no longer be able to use this email to log in and reset your password. When you're ready to go, and after you've added the new email address, it's important to add the new one first and then delete the old one. Just tap on the delete button and you're good to go. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. Thanks, guys.